Top of North East Ridge. Well, the first top, the false summit. Some sort of strange insect in there again, making a funny noise. There's a few of them around here at the moment.